How to use Nova Sniper Bot. The Nova Sniper Bot helps users automate crypto sniping to buy tokens quickly and launch. Here's how to set it up. Go to the official Nova Sniper Bot website. Download and install the bot on your PC or VPS. Open the bot and connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Phantom, and make sure you have funds ready for transactions. Now you can configure sniping settings, so enter the contract address of the token you want to snipe. Then set your buying parameters, the slippage, the gas fees, and the max buy. Now enable auto snipe, so activate auto sniping to buy as soon as the token launches. Monitor the bot's activity in real time. Now you can withdraw or sell profits, so once you've secured tokens, use the bot to sell at target prices. And you can withdraw profits to your wallet anytime you want. And that's how you use Nova Sniper Bot to automate crypto sniping. Thanks for watching.